Hello, today I go visit my friend's apartment in the city. This is about maybe 15-20 minutes away from the Saigon city center. So in this city, the area is quite nice. It's by the near the river and have a big road, more trees. Oh, they have the sell pizza here on the car, but I think they're not yet open. They're still repairing. So this is the apartment that my friend staying. Now I'm coming to the first floor. They have some cafe and some restaurant and convenience store. This is parking. I walk through the parking area to go to another side. This is the parking lot. This is the entrance, another entrance. The swimming pool on the 5th floor. So, hey, swimming pool. Oh. Oh, it's under maintained, so cannot swim. Oh. Oh. This is the sauna and the restroom, and here is the gym. Big gym here, quite big. Huh? the walking area here. We see the barbecue area. So if you want to make the barbecue party, then you can book and then make the barbecue. Yeah. And they have the tennis court here. This is like ping pong room. This is for push-up, for muscle. Yeah, you can do exercise here. This apartment here, like 2 bedroom, it costs about 1.5 billion Vietnam dong, so it's about like 200,000 USD. Yeah. Yeah, I only know the price of 2 bedroom because I asked my friend. My friend have 2 bedroom apartment. 1 bedroom, 3 bedroom, I think. Maybe 3 bedroom, maybe about 300,000. Now I go to the second floor. I want to check out the library. So you need a card to go to the apartment. Now it's very windy. Okay, this is the library, so I have to be very worried.
I don't know. I don't know how many tablets in this. You have to be clear. All the library now on the way and soon have this because the one tablet. Requirement and it keep changing all the time.
Okay, now I get out of the library. Oh, here the kid play. Now I'm at a lobby. This is the lobby of the building. The receptionist. So they see that's over there is the way into the elevator.
Ở đây đẹp hơn bên kia.
Dạ, nó mới hơn.
Nhìn thấy sảnh này kia cũng khác phải không? Bên kia tính bán hả?
Dạ em định bán.
Mà bán chưa hả?
Thì cũng đang chờ khách đó. Chờ nó làm thủ tục xong nó lấy tiền xong rồi chừng nào.
Ủa là nó ký đồng chưa?
Chưa cọc. Chừng nào cọc đi rồi.
Anh có đi vòng vòng á Út, hồi đi bơi em cứ đi vòng vòng.
Dạ. This is the bedroom. The bathroom, sorry. This is the bedroom. So the bedroom view outside. Yeah. If you take curtain out, the view would be like this. Very nice view. The kitchen. Another bedroom. This is a master bedroom. Let's have the bathtub here. A laundry area and balcony outside. Balcony. This is at the first floor. It's just right at the garden. This is the balcony of the apartment. Very big balcony. This is the view outside. Playground outside. Okay, now I will go out to the swimming pool. Okay, now I walk to the garden to see around. This is a walking bridge. Oh, the swimming pool out down there. Okay, now I will walk to the swimming pool. Oh, it's very windy here because this located near river, Saigon River, so very windy. Wow. This may be for taking picture, selfie. This for sitting and relax. This is the first time I've been here. So there, there is another swimming pool here. Wow, it's really big swimming pool. Wow, very nice. Okay, this is the restroom. I just want to check out the sauna. They have the locker here. The shower room. Okay, this is the steam room. Sauna room. Okay, now I will walk back to my friend's apartment, and then I will later I will go swimming. They have swimming pool, they have library here, and they also have sauna. So later I will have sauna and go swimming. Bye bye.